Encountering a no SIM card or SIM not detected message on your iPhone or Android device with T-Mobile? This means your device can't recognize the SIM card, preventing calls, texts, and data usage. There are a few main causes: a misaligned or dirty SIM card, incorrect APN settings, a software glitch, or a hardware fault. As of late 2025, T-Mobile's improved virtual SIM provisioning has reduced these errors, but physical SIM issues persist, especially on older devices. Let's look at how to resolve this issue. First, power off your device. For physical SIM cards, remove the SIM tray using a SIM ejector tool or paperclip. Gently clean the gold contacts on the SIM with a soft cloth, then firmly reinsert it and reboot. This simple step resolves most cases. If that doesn't work, check your access point name settings. On iPhones, go to Settings, Cellular Data Options, and ensure the correct APN profile is selected. On Android, find APN settings under Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network Access Point Names. The correct APN should be fast.tmobile.com. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support.